Kids, aye, Captain! Aye, Captain! I'm actually singing all over this during this video's intermission. I know, pretty early. Who lives in a house above the sea? It is Luigi, who is also somewhat annoying. It is, according to most people, me, who is also not trusted near events. I mean, just to be cooking alone. It being me, bro. I can't be trusted to do anything alone, bro. I'm watching SpongeBob. Let's go! Woo! SpongeBob! Yay. Okay. Abandoned twits. Don't know what that means, but hey, I don't really care. Camera and okay. Okay. I know, right, guys? Uh-huh. What do you want, crabs? Got nothing actually, buddy. Sorry. I don't even think it's even the weekend. I think it's like Sunday. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, that's a shiny head, bro. Too bad. Once Mr. Krabs tell you to actually do something, you're gonna actually accidentally do it. Ah! Seizure! Seizure! How dare you! How dare you! How dare you! What's that, some weird dancing? I tried to actually remember. Wait a minute! He has a yacht! Well, he is somewhat rich. So, like, it wouldn't surprise me. Not at all, actually. I think I actually accidentally dropped my hat. Do. What are you wearing, bro? Me too! Wait. Me too! What? Yeah, buddy. Nah, it smells like an octopus. Oh, is this like some weird looking Lego set? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Wait, what? Bro, I'm not even trusted around an oven alone, let alone an entire cruise. What are you doing? Oh, can I supervise? I'm supervising you guys. I guess I can't. That was actually pretty funny, Squidward. But let's start building this thing. I'm trying to actually help. Thanks, Sponge. Let's go! What are you doing, Squid? Yeah? Okay. I am. Well, I really hope that piece of paper wasn't even important. Because it's definitely gone now.
Don't worry, Squidward. I know exactly how to handle this situation.
Oh, really?
We just need to follow our hearts.
Okay. Huh.
Squidward.
I want to lick that, actually. Oh my gosh, how in the physics?
What's that, Squidward?
Ooh, I wonder what. Ooh, what's that? Oh no! Ow, my face! My face hurts. What's a frame? To a boat shape? Bro. It's wood. Where's that? Ah! Ah! Ow! My face. What in the world? Yeah. You deserve that one, Squidward. You didn't deserve that, though. I don't even know what's even going on. But hey. Yeah, we did it, bro! Do squids even have phones? Oh my gosh. Ah! Holy seizure mode, I'm dancing! up, bro? Just taking a break, you know. Aw.
To build the ship's frame, Mr. Krabs.
What's a frame?
Building the frame? They give you one all ready to go.
What? Ooh, let me see. Oh my gosh! I think I'm stuck! Get me out! Please! Do I help now? Ooh, what's in there? Oh, wait a minute, is that a beach? Wait. Ooh, a nail. It not work! Okay. It's obviously not gonna work, you guys. Oh yeah, that nail. Where did it go? Oh my gosh. Bro! I'm trying to work up here. Hey, bro! You deserve that. Yeah. Hey, Squid, can you, like, help?
Did you see an anchor?
Yeah, did ya? I think that we actually dropped one.
We switch places.
Okay. I don't know what you're trying to say, but okay. Let's go. So, like, Squidward, what do you mean by oops? Oh no. What the? Ow! Ow! My face. Ow. Whoa. Hey, buddy. Hi, Squidward. No. Oh. How? How? How?
Next to me, but I can keep
Okay.
an eye on you.
Oh, thanks, Squid. Dang. Later. Wow, indeed. It's amazing! Come over here right now! Oh my gosh. Mr. Krabs! It looks nothing like the picture, but it does look amazing. So, like, for that.
All she needs is a nice shiny coat of
Exactly. Here, let me help.
secret formula is ready to set
I'll be right back.
as soon as you two drag her into the lagoon.
What? Wait. Hey guys. Ah. Bro, you're a squid. Living under the water, how are you making that face? I know, right?
So fast, Mr. Squidward.
What do you mean, bro?
Effort to do.
What? Bro, no! It's a vacation! Krusty Krab, what do you mean? Bro, we literally just left work literally like yesterday. Today's the weekend. What? I know, right? I don't like working at all. Wait, what? No, that's hilarious! Wait, it's a joint SpongeBob.
Hey, Squidward, I get to flip
Forgot sometimes if it's just a TV.
at the same time.
What?
We're not gonna sell any food.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Patrick. You know what? I feel like for me and him could actually be friends because we basically have the exact same IQ. Also, I hate the crust. I also, wait, let me just go into this video. Second intermission. I know 2 intermissions, but I kind of don't really like the Patrick Star Show or the other random, like, kids SpongeBob show, like whenever they turn into babies. So that's extremely unnecessary and extremely annoying. That stings me because I'm, like, extremely annoying. Anyways. Whoa, is that food? Wee! Wee! Whoa! Ah! Come on, SpongeBob, do the This ship, I'm going on to bubble bath. I'm going down with this bubble bath, fella. Ah. I'm just joking. I'm going down with the ship. Bye, guys. Just joking, unfortunately. Hey. What an amazing day that was, right? Gotta wait for the boys to actually come back, though. That's for sure. That's not the boys, is it? That's horrifying. Yep, that's the boys. Buddy!
Give me all the Krabby Patties you got, kid.
Wait, what?
I'm so hungry, I can eat at the chub bucket.
Ew. 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 You know what? Yeah, that's it. That guy ruined the entire experience. What in the world is that? Anyways, that guy just ruined the entire experience. So here's what I'm gonna have to tell you to do. Into right now. So yeah, but yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video because I extremely did. I loved watching that SpongeBob. Whee! SpongeBob!